devastation, death, horror. The world called the Typhoon Haiyan. The people of Leyte called it Yolanda. Its power was fearsome, unprecedented. 4 million people were displaced. On the island of Leyte alone, thousands died. The memory of its vast power is terrifying still. Algina and her family nearly died that day.
Masakit kay nakita ako nga nagkakalumos-lumos na talaga na ako ng mga anak dito pero nagunit lagi pero jealousy tas pakakita ni ra akon kuan ko dayon hira tagusa-usa para makakaputin hin tubo nga tikadto igbaw so amo na adto pag kakuan namon pakaliko namon nga dididihan kuan amo na adto nga.
Algina and her children survived. Her husband, Joel, clung to a house wall but was washed into the flood. He was buffeted by corpses and clung to a tree trunk. Days later, he found his family.
Tas may nagtutduha ko na nag-asawa, mga anak, nga totolo, safety, nagato na kandaos, namin ito, nagturo nakluwa ito.
At first, the Lacaba family, like their neighbors, lived in a tent. Then they moved into a temporary shelter. The living conditions are very basic, but one of the most welcome items distributed to them by UNHCR was this solar lamp, donated by corporate partner UPS. It's added hours of light to work and study.
It's solar sa nga daya na ginagamit namon. Waray iba nga source it amon light hit gabi. So damo nga salamat.
In the morning, Joel has a job as a bus dispatcher. In the afternoon, he works building the family's permanent home. It's part of a renewal project funded by local NGOs and the government. The Lacaba's home will be in a newly created suburb high above the sea.
Tapos, yan na okay na kay mahibalin nga ni kami ngadto dito ha. Permanent namon, dako ito namon na baga pasasalamat nga kuan kay pulido ko dito nga amon baga kuan. Ngin herayo hadagat kami.
One year on, the people who braved Typhoon Haiyan are building a new life. Memories of the devastation and terror linger. Algina says she will never forget all the dead bodies. Much still needs to be done. But progress is visible for all to see. A new, safer life beckons to those who suffered but survived.